Ato!
Before, conduct emergency plan. To our home, work, or in school, we must conduct meetings as preparation for any calamities or any issues that might threat and affect our health and safety. Learn your map. Master way out and identify the location of first aid kit, fire blanket, and fire extinguishers. Turn off gas, water source, and electricity source. Ensure medicine kit fully stocked and learn how to first aid. Important documents must place it in one folder for easy taking. Anchor heavy furniture, cupboards, and appliances to the walls and floor. Do not leave heavy objects on shelves. Prepare emergency kit for survival like whistle, water, full bar cell phone, battery powered radio, ready to eat foods, clothes, flashlight, important documents, first aid kit, and money. When you're indoors, stay inside. Keep calm. Crawl under hard furniture such as table, chair, or stay at door's frame. Do the drop, cover, and hold to protect yourself against from falling objects and debris. Stay away from glass, such as glass window, glass door, or glass wall. If safe to do, seek the nearest open area and safest way out while covering head, then drop and hold as well when in the field. Do not use the elevators, just use the stairs when going out from building to avoid from getting trapped. If we're outside, stay outside. Keep calm, move to evacuation area or in any open area, thus the drop, hold, and cover. Stay away from posts, walls, and power lines because it might drop on you. Don't use matches and or lighter to create a fire because it might have a presence of gas due to broken or leaking gas lines. Stay away from the building. The building might fall on you. If you get trapped, don't lose hope. Be strong and think that you must to survive. It is a must to have a strong determination to survive. When you are driving, stop the car and stay inside the car until earthquake stop. Don't cross overpasses and bridges which may have been damaged. If injured person has fractures, don't move unless he or she is in unsafe place. Then move to safer area while waiting for rescue. Check yourself and everyone for injury. Provide first aid for everyone who needs it. Check electrical source, gas and water for the following defects. Be prepared for aftershocks. Gather information from a mobile phone, NDRRMC, messaging in public. Stay away from damaged structures. Broken glass or any sharp objects may harm on you. Stay away in coastal areas. Potential of tsunami may arise. Don't use phone unless it's for emergency purposes to avoid the traffic the signal. In this event, let the government or any authorized team vehicle on street to rescue to avoid traffic on their way. Turn radio on. Listen and obey to government safety instruction. Leave a message on where you are headed if you must evacuate. If the earthquake is finished, let the contractor fix the damaged building and wait for their advice if the area is clear or safe. Do housekeeping. Secure hazardous chemicals in proper disposal area.
Hey! Dagan!
Damages and injuries may lessen if we know how to act safely. Alright? Alright. Sharing is caring. To God be the glory. Thank you for watching.